I have a question. What is the Solid Edge API? What is that API full form? Means which comes in the
Application programming interface.
Oh, okay.
Application is Solid Edge.
Yeah.
Okay.
We want to program it.
Okay.
CNC machine we are programming, na?
Yeah.
You are given CNC machine. I want to program it.
Okay.
So Solid Edge is given to you. You want to program it. So application programming and interface means the function between we write the function and Solid Edge obeys it.
Okay.
Solid Edge execute. And CNC code we read na G0 go to toolpath and G02 fast rotate. So it is very crude programming, no? G and all those numbers. But here it's a high level programming. In Visual Basic, no? It's all English like. So application programming interface. So application is Solid Edge. Programming is we want to write the programming. And interface is the set of commands what we have to type for programming Solid Edge. So that is API.
Only thing is, example, when you are doing any feature, any tools when you are using here, no? This is background. It is calling some interfaces only. It is everything software only, no? It is a background also. Some codes are there. It's correct. Okay. The same thing what you are doing manually. The for each tool having separate APIs. Some command is there. That command we have to call. Okay. Example, when you are using some features, no? Right now there is no features. Okay. Example, if you are creating any sketch here, we have to use this line or everything, no? Each one having some codes. This is the front screen actually. Okay. Here also we can use new project. Okay. When you create a new project, here you can choose where you have to save this one.
Windows Form applications means dialog box.
The user interface is coming here if you are getting some information, input informations. It is defaultly it will come like this. This is a blank form here. Here you can add whatever inputs is required. Example, if you are creating one simple rectangle, something means you want width and length. Okay, that information you can add it here. First of all, I will show before that I will show that how to add a reference of that. Here references are there. Okay. When you start a new project in Visual Studio, these are all the system related default references. Okay, this is automatically it will come. Okay, when you right click on this, it will ask for the add reference. When you go here, SolidWorks also may be there.
You got this step. After starting Visual Studio, no? You start new project. Simple. When you start new project, one dialog box will come. And you have to go to project menu and add reference.
See here, these are all the references files: Solid Edge, assembly, and draft library files, and part file. Example, right now I will add whichever you want, you can add it. Example, if you are working only in the part, I think part library is sufficient. Those all the references is got added here. Okay. In that you can see here also. Example, I am selecting part 1. This it will show all the libraries which are all the APIs are there inside. You can see it here. Extruded protrusion. Okay, this is for creating the protrusion. Okay,
Then you go to code. Close this.
I will close this.
You put a button now.
Yeah, this is purely defined in Visual Studio. Now if you want to ask the user to feed some information, for that you have to design the UI. Here also toolbox one is there. Here if you want button, checkbox, many are there. First of all, I will create one label here. You can give example.
If you select that this thing and press F4, then properties will come.
Or you can right click and you can go to properties also. Right click here and go to properties. Okay. This is the one For that I will ask you and text box. T, go down. T tab on it.
Text box.
Okay. Example, I want to get the length. Similarly, I want one more. I will paste it here. You can copy paste also.
It's like paintbrush. In paint, we take a tool and we draw. It's like that. You have this Visual Studio on your system? In your company it's allowed?
In company.
No. Your personal system you can.
In personal. When you run, no, this window it will pop up right now. Example, I will show you. Yeah, this window it's coming. You have to feed the information. Example, length and width for testing purpose. When you press submit button, in that you have to call. When you press submit, first you have to connect the solid edge, then you have to create a part document, new document, then sketch, everything. When you create a sketch, after that you have to draw a rectangle or 4 lines you have to draw. No? That time you have to take this information, you have to draw according to this information.
That will do.
Yeah, yes.
No, you double clicked.
Here, first of all, we have to declare. Solid edge framework dot application. This is a API. When
you have done some programming in college, somewhere we have done programming. No? We declare variables like integer, double.
C language.
C or. And this VB is very simple compared to C.
Yeah.
Okay, I will just create object.
You're comfortable?
Yes.
You are understanding a little bit what is going on?
Yeah. Just now what I'm doing is this is the application, solid edge application. This is a declaration for that. Okay. When you create object, this is a constant. This is a fixed one. Solid edge dot application. Trigger that one.
What is that?
It's a declaration. It is purely depends on programming. Okay. We call it as a dim is a local variable declaration.
Declaring variables.
Declaring variables. Yeah. Okay. This is get object means if we are open that solid edge application, that application it will take, or otherwise it will create a one more. Okay. Right now already we are open one solid edge application that I am getting it.
You are running out of time. What is time?
Actually.
Who wants to leave? You both want to leave?
Yeah, we three came together.
8:40, no? 8:40. Still our snacks are waiting for us. So we'll finish same time.
Yeah.
You continue.
Yeah.
I'll arrange.
Okay.
But still, how many presentations are remaining?
So but we are okay. Actually, we didn't plan at all. We just came in. Actually, what we thought is there are some other presenters who are going to present.
No. Yeah. No, 3 were enough. Like you, me, Parthiban, and you. No, 3 is enough. Maybe mine I'll keep next time. If at all you happen to be present.
It was okay if we came alone, but we came 3 together, right? So he has to go back to office and complete his work.
Came on single bike you came?
No, we came by cab.
Oh, by cab.
Yeah.
See here. Okay. I will stop on screen. What I did is actually simply I will show. This is a document part 2. It's open now. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm taking the active open solid edge application in that which is the opened one. That open document name I will print. Okay. By program. Okay. What I did is here I am getting the application. Then I am taking the active document. Okay. Then I am reading the name of the document. Message box means it will pop up a message actually. And this information delete. it's showing software. Okay. This is we are getting the information from the open document. Okay. Similar way, many APIs are there. This is also one type of API only. Okay, name.
Then one more person was supposed to come and join us. Then he didn't come, and he also got busy in his preparations, family function. That's why it's called. Otherwise, by now you would have become knowledgeable.
And today, actually, what happened? One of our colleagues,
What?
he's leaving the company. Means he left the company from today. Today itself. He's also got a plan come here. So he left today. No, he was busy with shaking hands with others, and also he have to. He want to bind up all the things. That's why he was busy.
This is a student's position. Like that, we can example an image I took how it's look a gear train. Okay. Example, this is a shaft. It is coming from the motor actually. From that motor, that power it is transferring to up to the end. Example, if you see here, example, it's okay. Example, here the shaft it will come. Here one gear is there with the shaft of the motor. Then that gear it is engaged to this gear.
Now you finish, and mine to. What will do it?
See here, this is a sample I will show you.
So who did not eat? Who did not get 1, 2, 3 are lying here?
Only
I finished.
Huh?
I don't.
Oh, you don't eat.
because it is happening very fast. That's why you can't see inside while running. Okay, see here, this is the assembly of it. See, one motor and how many spindles and how many idlers. The green one, if you see.
Yeah. I really surprised seeing your enthusiasm on doing this. Frankly.
Yes, just like you, I also got job.
Yeah.
Since morning I start from here.
Yeah.
Whole day I am also standing and sitting, just like you.
Well,
we have to see our own benefit and.
let me tell you frankly, I was very much surprised of seeing your enthusiasm. You have inspired me in some ways. Like right now, I saw you coming out from office and taking care of all these things.